So I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on here. I've got a KVM switch right here. I've got a laptop down here. I've got a server down here, and all of it links to this trackball and this computer keyboard right here. So what we're going to do, show you, this is one of the computers here, and if I tap on this key right here, the numlock key, twice, it'll shift to the other computer. And we come up here, and there's the new one. Yeah. And then if I want to switch back, go down here, double click on that, and we're back in business on the laptop.